to move away from Irish tunes, if you don't mind. These are three Galician tunes, or tunes from the north of Spain. The first tune is actually a lament, and it's the melody associated with a Galician love song, which translated from Spanish apparently means, "From a bramble there grew a rose." This is a tune called Ares de Pontevedra, and we learned it from a great Galician gaita player, which is a Galician piper, named Carlos Núñez. And he's been here before. I see pictures of him plastered all over the halls there leading down to the dressing rooms. Last tune then is a Monera, which is rather like an Irish jig, especially when we play it anyway. But it's a tune called Monera de Casu, which is a region in northern Spain.
We're going to go to the north of France for our next tune, written by a great guitarist named Pierre Ben Suzanne, and he wrote this tune after a trip to Ireland when he came in search of music. Unfortunately, he arrived in the month of March, and all the musicians, trad ones, were gone on the back of St. Patrick to New York and to London and all around the place. So he didn't find much tunes. Went to loads of public houses, loads of drink. Became a very, 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 very sick man. And he vowed never to write, never to drink again. And he wrote this tune called The Last Pint.
Breton tradition has been very close to our hearts for a long, long time, and on each of the recordings we've made, we've always included a set of Breton dances. In Breton music, they like to dance, but they don't really do much moving. It's nearly all kind of wrist related, or even less like little finger related. They just stand in line and they hook each other by the pinkies and they just do that. And then after about 15 minutes, when they're exhausted, they go back.